how to use one name on Facebook. So if you want to add a single name or only the first name on your Facebook, then first you need to just make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Facebook, launch your Facebook, go with the top right which has that 3 horizontal lines, and scroll down, go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Now under settings you will have the account center, tap on the account center, and under the account center you can go with profiles and tap on your Facebook profile, tap on your name, and from here you can remove the last name, and instead of the last name you can either go with a space or go with something like this dash, and tap on review change which is on the bottom, and your name will be changed. So that's how you can add only one name on your Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.